Hello, I want to get on here today to share this grommet punching tool with you. This is really nice. So I actually had a project a couple years ago. I made a teepee for my son and I wanted to use grommets to put the leather straps in the fabric to kind of tie it tight. And I had to use like a handmade tool thing and it did not work very well and the grommets got kind of crunched. So this is really nice. This is the proper tool that you'll use if you want to hang curtains or do any type of project like that where you need to thread something professionally. So let me go ahead and get this out and we'll take a look at it. So this is a great value for this kit. What you get is this grommet tool and it has this really nice grip. It works really well. I love that it's magnetic here so you don't have to like try to balance these pieces in there together. Like it just stays in there until you get your fabric or whatever you need to get in there. And then when you squeeze it shut, you don't actually have to press overly hard. It really does the work for you. So that's great. It also comes with a punch tool. A big perk to this is that you don't actually need to punch the hole. It does that for you, it's all in one. But if you have something a little bit stronger that you need, it does come with it. It has a hole here for you, and then you can use it on this to tap it to just help pre-cut it. And then it comes with a ton of grommets. So that's what makes it a great value is you have like kind of a lifetime supply here depending on what you need to do. So I think this is great if you have a project that you need it for. This is a very solid tool and I think it's going to get the job done for you. So I hope this review was helpful to you and you get yourself one of these grommet tools and that you love it. Thanks for watching.